Welcome to another Keep It Reet YouTube episode, and tonight we're taking our Toyota Supra, A90 Supra, can't call it Toyota Supra because it's a BMW. We're taking it out for a giveaway shoot tonight. We've freshly spiced it up on a Sport G7 wheels and some Federal tyres, but unfortunately Shockworks couldn't get anything done, so we've got some shat gap going on. They had to make a one-off custom thing and they've got to order it, didn't make it, so running out of time. At least we won't be ripping off any skirts and chat. Yeah, a little bit of behind the scenes, so enjoy. Oh, that's a fancy BMW.
Look at that.
It's so fancy. It's carbon fibre. Oh, Corey.
You can't see anything.
He's put a window banner on it and I can't see anything. Let's see if we can hear the flutter. You can actually hear the turbos. That's what you want. Surprised how many skids it does with traction on.
Isn't that off?
I think it's on. That's a safety. Isn't that middle button traction? I don't know what. Yeah, see, traction's off now. Oh, big grip ears and the tyres that were on it. I don't know what I'm doing. We've got a special guest this shoot night too. A potential new media boy. He's coming to have a little bit of a taste tester, and I think he's already freaking out about all our chat lingo and things we say and things we do and all that, as you would.
Yeah, well, we're like, alright, we're starting the night. Let's go buy some energy drinks. That's never a good sign.
Yeah, that's never. I need energy. No, it hasn't even started. Gonna be a late one, mate. Prepare yourself. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing here. Energy drink.
Oh, I thought you were getting fuel. I was like, wrong side.
No, oh, is it?
Yeah.
Ah, the arrow's pointing that way, so I was like, it's on that side. Does it mean it's on that side?
Yeah, you...
I hate these arrows.
Oh, you know, he tells you what doors.
It shows you the pump, and then the thing's on this side. So the pump, and the thing's on this side. So
Oh, the arrow's pointing right.
so the
Arrow's
thing's
pointing
on
right.
But if the thing's
not
on the pump's
focusing.
this side, then that means
No, it points in a direction.
gets me every time. Yeah, there he is. Mungie, his name. He's a drafter as well.
Yeah,
And he makes some gangster videos, so be able to see some spicy videos for him if we don't scare him off tonight.
All stocked up. I don't know how much the camera's picking that up. There's a little net down here. I like it.
Some my Doritos, crumbs.
Ooh. We gotta christen the interior.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, don't go anywhere.
What?
We
Oh, yeah,
don't know
we'll get
where,
lost.
we don't know where we're going.
Tom Shepard leads the way.
Tom Shepard, there he is. Tom Shepard. Wilson's car park. Oh, how's the traffic?
Whoa. Oh, ruined it.
What's going on? I'm confused. Oh, Tom Shepard. You dogged us.
Is that launch control? I think it's got noise cancelling car.
Noise cancelling car, you reckon? Sure.
What's that?
What's that?
Patrick!
Oh, the wagon!
That's Jazzy.
Oh, it's Jazzy.
That's enough of I just took my daddy's BMW out for a joyride.
So I got one right now because I'm struggling. Yeah. And then I got one for after dinner for me. And I got one for after dinner for Jason because he always complains that I don't get one.
He knows me too well. Where's my energy drink? Oh. We made it. The car park.
Ooh, that's fancy. Watch the rims.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh no.
oh shit.
Oh, this is actually. You got more on this side, but
This side, the little gutter down there. I can't see anything. Stressful.
I'm
Oi.
stressed.
Ooh. Get on the brakes so we can get some flutter going on. Ooh, a little drifty. Oh. Ooh. That's spicy. Take a draft. Ladies, bro.
That feeling.
Doing my research.
Because you don't know anything about it.
Don't know, I literally just found out it's an 8-speed order, and I found out some pros and cons. Pros, fun to drive.
Ooh.
Lots of standard equipment. Smooth turbocharged engine. Cons, the 2021 model got dynamic improvements.
Doesn't sound like much of a con.
Polarizing exterior design is a con.
Oh, what?
Limited headroom, can't agree with that one a little bit. Let's have a look at that front brake. And also, fun fact, this location is where we did the last Supra. So this is now named the Supra spot.
Look at it, looks.
That fills the whole thing. They're rare things. They're GTR rubber wheels. These came off a GTR. So they're like the 18, 10.5 square set. Oh, it's actually 5mm different to the front and back. I think it's like plus 20 and plus 25. The front's big brake clearance, so they fit really well in this. So I reckon sit it, you know, maybe 10mm off the tyre or just.
Well, Corey measured it and it's going to sit right here.
Yeah.
Just perfect.
Ish. Can't wait.
You may be thinking, God damn, there's some bright brake lights.
Psych. Spicy tail lights.
I'd hate to smash one.
Jake Jones running walls with him. That car in NZ. And I'll probably rear end him with the wagon next year. So my headlight $20. Tail light $2,000. You right?
So I'm done taking photos from this angle. Ooh, that's some red light. Tom Schafford's setting up his camera to do some filming of some ads. The fun stuff. But we'll do this, probably turn her around, get some photos of that ass. That ass.
I bought some tyre shine, you haven't even applied it.
Yeah, no, it was looking good enough.
Yeah,
As
sure.
is. Yeah, should be alright. Try not to draw attention to the tyres because it's not lowered yet.
Yeah,
So,
fair point.
Trying to make it look not chat. Because I don't know about you,
I can't handle it.
Can't scratch that. Keep the truth loaded in the black gap. Just know if I said it, I'm in it, and they gon' take it back. Learn the game riding in my granddaddy's Cadillac. Young man, old song. Imagine that. Ain't in my control, gotta pray. Let them handle that. God hit my line, get me to play. Roger that. Game time. Alright, you hate like a running back. If you ain't catch everything I said, better run it back. Eating up this beat, break bread. Where your sandwich at, y'all? Thought I was done? No, this beat ain't like Kobe, I'm too full. My God, took old mode, he too cold. I'm skating on beats, froze on with the flow.
That's a big building, Tom Schafford.
It is.
That's a large
That's
building.
a large building.
Oh my lantern.
Almost the largest building.
Almost.
No, it actually is.
Oh, that's so weird. This whole building is based around, oh, I'm the biggest building, then they just build a bigger one next to it. Is that not weird?
The funniest thing is, the actual biggest one that they built after the other one has like all these people that live in it, and then that one is basically empty.
Yeah, because its whole like personality is it's the largest building, but it's not anymore. That one is.
It's sad. It's got no one living in it because it's just like, I'm sad. Building now. It's designed to have a cube at the top of it that you go in to be scared.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
That's literally all it does.
It's a very expensive cube of glass. It's got a good car park, though. Look at that.
Congratulations on the car park.
I want to put the car up there.
On that gold thing.
Yeah, right on the ledge.
Film it on the edge.
Enough chat talk.
So I've got the specs in my head ready to go. Tom Schafford, one take, Farron, let's do it.
What is it? A straight 6 3-cylinder?
Yeah, 3-cylinder. RB30 engine, straight 6, 3-cylinder, the perfect amount of back pressure. What did I say?
So we've done like 20 takes. Haven't got one good take yet. This is more like it. The real giveaway shoots.
You saw last time that it was like a one take thing. Not true. Real true.
What do you mean? This is the first take.
Oh yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Now the vlog camera's out.
One take Farron.
We believe in him.
Go. Here we are on another random rooftop in the city with our next epic giveaway. Now, of course, she's got our keeper Reet touch with the carbon fibre. Making 300 kilowatt. It's 290. with our next epic giveaway, the 2020 GR Supra. They are now live, so make sure you head to our fuck it hell.
Holy night.
The last word.
The one you say on every single giveaway shoot. Fucks it up.
Yeah, so we haven't actually worked out yet why it takes us this long on giveaway shoots.
Oh, heck.
Oh, turn around.
Oh, no. It's 20 to 11. Oh, no, that's not good.
Got heaps of hours left in one take. Yourself to keep Reet not
One take third.
He wasn't rolling. One take fair. Can't believe we got that in one take.
Yeah, I know. I feel like it just happens every time. Just one take and done. Bam. All right, just 12 more ads to go and we're good.
Two more.
Oh! Not the Doritos. Oh, no. Oh, Dory.
That's like Beastie Boys. Or that camera go where you get close up. That's a new location.
That's a new location, all the way downstairs.
That's Tom
Stop sharpening.
I want to be in it. I want to be in the video. I want to be in the video.
Oh, looks pretty sick.
It does. Yeah, it's a real cool little spot. Got a few more ads to go.
Alright, rolling shots.
Yeah, this time we get some proper rolling shots. It's not wet. First time in a long time.
What's it called?
It's a Hydra Alien by Tilter.
low.
Yeah, and I still forgot the cables. But hopefully 7-Eleven to the rescue.
I'm jet lagged.
Always.
Jet lag. Pretty stoked how these wheels turned out. I put a deposit on the car, and then I went straight to buying these wheels because I'm like, they're perfect. That's when I found out that the stud pattern's different. So we've got the conversion studs to Nissan, and then it's also conversion bolt-on spaces to Nissan. I don't know, but it works really well and perfect fitment. Can't wait to see when it's slammed. And I don't think I mentioned, but those wheels, I've already said they're rare and GTR lover wheels, but I didn't mention how stupidly expensive they are. I thought it would be that defining touch, you know, that stands out a bit different to all the other, you know, A90 Supras, or that's our keepery flair, something a bit different. Yeah. Expansive. But yeah, it just works so well. A hint to the price is that G7 emblem. 7 something. Yep. We're done doing the talking, so I'm happy because I don't have to think anymore. And it's getting later. Tom's gonna get the dead possum.
Wombat. Try and get rid of those wind noises.
Definitely a possum.
Corey took that out for us the other day.
Yeah, Corey shot this while he was out on his hunting trip. Brought it back, stuck a microphone up his bum, and we're good.
Premium sounds.
We try and record every single car.
So we got our sounds, and now we're setting up the camera to get rolling shots. And Tom Sharp's been looking for a cable and searching multiple 7-Elevens to try and find a cable. Next minute,
It was where it was supposed to be, in the case.
It's almost like I knew I needed it, so I saved it for later, and then I forgot.
How good's this hectic setup?
Never remember how to put it together. I always have to ask Tom. Tom, what arm goes here? Because there's like 20 arms. Makes no sense.
Sometimes you use them all, sometimes you use one.
Well, we do the same setup every single time.
None.
I didn't film anything when we were doing sounds, but the car's very quiet.
Yeah, it's more of a cruiser, daily driver, daddy's BMW.
So this is all like the suction mounts and whatnot. These are your battery goes. Then this is the gimbal that Tom normally films on, just taken apart and it's mounted up on here. And and then it's all connected to our phones in this, and Tom Sharper uses this to control the camera and record and change settings and everything.
It's sonic.
It's pretty fancy. It's pretty scary. It's
Very
like
scary.
15 grand, 20 grand, probably more like it, hanging off the side of the car. And if you just like hit a pothole too hard, badoosh, gone.
JB rolled is the version on the car.
This is more like the times, because last time we finished early. Right now it's 10 to 2.
Alright, enough chat talk. Let's get some spicy rolling shots and get this all packed up and yeah, get home to bedski. Got high tech around this weekend, so I need my beauty sleep.
I gotta work.
No,
I gotta go to work.
8 a.m.
Yep, that, not happening.
Right, you better.
Not happening. You'll still get 3 vlogs this week though, don't you?
Oof. Sign it out, I reckon.
Sign it out now.
Yeah, sign it out.
Yeah, that's it.
Because we'll just finish on a rolling shot.
Nah, because they need to know what time we finish at. We've got to go to the good 7-Eleven. This is shat 7-Eleven. You just don't want to work anymore.
I don't want to vlog anymore. Just want to put the cameras away.
You can. You can just stop now.
No, I can't.
There you go.
Can't.
In the car, we're doing some rolling shots. We got a bit stuffed over though, but everything's nice and dry for once, and we're actually able to get the rollers with the gimbal in the car. We go into the tunnel and there's a massive strip of water across the road and it sprays the gimbal completely with water. Can't see anything on the actual gimbal, so we'll have to pull over and clean it, but we got some cool shots anyway before then, so we should be good. Pretty quick actually. Jason just realised that he actually likes the car after driving it all night.
That was way faster than all your other balls.
Off to 7-Eleven, take the trusty gamble off the car. Coffee?
Oh, maybe. I've had so much caffeine tonight. So
Adam's like
probably not.
cooked on caffeine.
Pack her up, boys.
Pack her up, boys.
I think it went reasonably well, to be honest. I mean, we're ebbed in the start, ebbed in the middle, and ebbed in the end. But I mean, apart from that, it was pretty good.
It was smooth.
It was pretty smooth.
Anyway.
That's pretty standard giveaway night.
Feel like ass.
Feel like ass.
But that means it's going to be quality video. Like someone said, all that, 8 hours of trying to get some footage for a 2-minute video.
It's actually crazy how long it takes, isn't it? To be fair, that's like 3 or 4 weeks of content we film in one night.
Yeah, we'll get some Kang content, Kang photos, Kang videos. Hope you like the giveaway, hope you like the car. I'm looking forward to when we slam it. But it's growing on me tonight on the height. I'm sure tomorrow when I see it again I'll throw up. But not bad for a BMW.
Not bad for Dad's BMW. You guys are alright.
Support the boys.
Support the boys.
Like that ass.
Subscribe that ass.
See you next time.
Feel like John Morant, need a triple double. Told him check the stats, yeah I got a couple. I don't drive the ball.